I'm speaking to Dr. Patricia Gerbarg today, who's the co-author of The Healing Power of the Breath and also the co-developer of Breath-Body-Mind. So welcome, Dr. Gerbarg. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, thank you so much, Joanna. I'm delighted to be speaking with you today. I am a psychiatrist and also psychoanalytically trained, but for the last 20 years, I have also been working very hard developing breath-centered mind-body practices with my husband, Dr. Brown, because we're finding that they are so universally effective in helping people overcome stress, anxiety, depression, and even post-traumatic stress disorder. So that's a lot of what I do now.
Wow, it sounds amazing. It'd be interesting to find out more about what you do and how you think some of what you offer can benefit coaches.
Oh, well, it's tremendously beneficial for psychotherapists. So it's got to be good for coaches because a lot of what you do there's a big overlap. I look at it from a couple of different perspectives. First of all, from the point of view of the coach, and secondly, from the client. So from the coach's point of view, I think that these particular practices that we've developed are very beneficial. The most important quality that we have to pay attention to when we're working that affects how we work and affects how effectively we work is our own psychophysiological state. What state of mind and body are we in when we are working? Because if we're tense or upset or distracted, it's definitely going to be affecting our work. And unconsciously, it's going to communicate to the client and it's going to affect their capacity to trust us, to feel comfortable with us, and to benefit from the therapeutic interaction. So first and foremost, what is our psychophysiological state?
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, in today's world, our psychophysiological state is usually a combination of fatigue and stress because we have so many stressors locally, globally, through the media, and it is having a big impact on all of us. And that's going to affect our ability to think clearly, to perceive accurately, to interact with our clients as well as in our personal lives. So that is very important. And using these practices can enable a coach or a therapist to regulate their own psychophysiological state and put themselves in the right frame of mind and body to do the very best work that they can do. And it has many other benefits like reducing fatigue, like improving attentional focus, and so on and so forth. So yes, it's very beneficial for coaches to do this. And then, of course, those coaches who want to go beyond their own well-being can get training in how to integrate these practices into the work that they do with their clients, and then that's going to enrich their work. At least I found that to be so.
Fantastic. That sounds like the topic for our next video. Thank you so much for such a complete answer.